constipation. This penis constipation is medicine for nature and for people who are in nature. We made a special ingredient in it. So if you're in nature, then that's good for you, because you know why? It'll just help you pee. Like if a raccoon, you're taking a bath and or a shower or a hot bath in one of those tubs or something, and a raccoon just comes in and closes on it, then you can't open it or put nothing out of it. This is for nature. Nature! It's so awesome! I'm running through nature right now! Nature! 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 Oh, I'm about to fall through mud! And it's kinda like this. I got pee! Where is my penis constipation? Oh, nope, that's just my marijuana roach. I can never pronounce roach right. Where's that? Are they smelling weed? Please do not flag this video because of drugs. Because it's not a drug. Well, and the same thing as this. Yeah, this is the same guy. Woo! Let's talk to the users of some of this penis constipation. You guessed it, nature. Why are you putting a camera in my face? Don't you take penis constipation pills? Yes, yeah, we're from penis constipation. And, we want to know if you'd like to be in our little commercial we got here. Of course, I'd love to. Okay then, so, what was this penis constipation like for you? Well, it was, very distracting. I mean, it was that I had a kind of, yeah, but it turned out great, okay, I don't know what you're talking about turned out great, but guessing it's your penis. I don't want to go into that, but, okay. Bloopers. Action! Right on set. Yeah! Still money? Oh, that.